All right, I test a lot of these things. I've got about 6 or 7 of them here. And this is the Colwelt stand-up weeder, and this thing's made out of all steel. About 41 inches long, 40 inches long, weighs 2 pounds, 10 ounces. When you get this, it comes with a little pair of gloves and a little 14-inch handheld weeder. It kind of uses leverage to pluck stuff up. Nice wood handle on it, made out of steel. This thing is entirely made of metal with the exception of this plunger knob on the end of it. Got a metal spring, metal rod that goes through the middle. This is that kind of molded stuff you see on the end of tools. It's got a nice grippy texture to it, which I really like. These teeth are about 4 inches long, and you can see the concept behind this. We're gonna stick it in the ground. We're gonna rotate it to the right, and these teeth are just going to rip the roots right out of there and its friends. As far as this plunger system goes, for ejecting the weed when you're done, it's definitely better designs out there, but it gets the job done. It works, but it's not my favorite plunger system. It's still pretty early in the spring here. I don't have a lot of weeds, but what I'm doing is going through my mulch bed and pulling out all the grass that grew through. This thing's pretty easy. You just basically put it into the surface, step on it if you want, turn it 180 degrees to the right, pull it out, and it gets the roots and everything. Then you just press the ejector button. That's it. Now, it's gonna leave a hole in here. All of these stand-up weeders are gonna leave a hole when you use them. It's just the way it is. You're removing an entire plant out of here. There's really no way around that. It gets everything. So, there it is, the Colwelt stand-up weeder.